Welcome back, guys, to another video. This is T-Bricks here, and today, guys, I'm going to be starting a series. It's going to be called the Simulator Series. I'm going to be scripting a simulator for you guys, so you guys can know how to make a simulator. So let's get started with the video. So guys, what you want to do is you want to open up a game. Mine's going to be called Simulator. I'm just going to add this. You guys don't have to do this, but you guys will end up having to do this later. So what you want to do, you want to go to server script service. You want to open a script. After that, you're just going to name this leader stats. So no, not this. Game.players.player added connect function player. So that means this function will run when a player joins the game. So yeah, guys. So now you gotta do, you gotta follow me. So local leader stats would equal instance.new folder. And after that, leader stats dot name would equal leader stats. And after that, leader stats dot parent would equal player. So we're just setting up a folder for all of our leaderboards values. So yeah. After that, local food, because I'm making a cookie simulator, would equal instance dot new. Going to make this int value. After that, we're going to do food dot name would equal food. Then food dot parent would equal leader stats. And after that, you guys could just copy this and paste it, because now I'm going to make a currency. So I'm going to name this money. And you guys gotta change all of this to money, because otherwise it won't work. So that's it, guys. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get a tool called cookie here. So now we got our cookie. What we're going to do, we're actually going to get a script. We're going to call it main script. Now guys, all I gotta do is we're going to script this tiny little bit. But before that, we need to get a remote event inside the main script. So I'm just going to call this add. Now what we're going to do, we're just going to script now, since we have everything we need. Script.add.onServer event connect function. Actually, we don't need that. So now what we need this. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go to player.leaderstats.food.value would equal player.leaderstats.food.value plus 1. So now we're done with that. Now we're going to go into cookie, delete all this because that's all trash. You don't need it. Now we're going to go to local script. I'm going to call this add. So now we're going to script a few lines of script.parent.activated connect function. There we go. So that means when the tool is activated, then this function will run. So now we're going to go to game.workspace.main script. So this is the game workspace, and then main script dot add. We're going to fire server. Super easy, guys. So now what we are going to do is we're going to make this so people can't just like spam the entire thing with autoclicker, because then it's just not that fun. So now what we're going to do, we're going to go script.parent.enabled would equal false. So that means it prevents the entire script from like activating, I guess, like running. So now we're going to do wait 1, otherwise our whole work is just going to go to waste. And after script dot parent dot enable would equal true. So guys, see what happens when I disable it. So see, then it just gets disabled, and if I turn it back, it's enabled. So yeah, guys, that's basically just it. So guys, now we want to put it in the starter pack, so people just don't gotta go run up, get it, and just start playing the game. We just want to make it a little bit easier for them. So now what we're going to do, we're going to go press play. So now guys, here we have our leader stats. Yay! So now we're going to equip the cookie. Now let's start. See, now we're getting food. There you go, guys. See, it's all working now. Yay! Guys, actually, I just forgot one thing. So the cookie is actually called, actually it is called enabled. But in the add part, script.parent.enable. Oh, I didn't do anything wrong. Okay, guys, I'm just so sorry. Is we're gonna make the sell part. So basically what it means is that when you have a simulator and you want to like sell something, or like sell all of your strength or food or whatever you want, then it exchanges it for money. I really don't know how that works or something, or like how people came up with it, but let's just move on. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add a part. Not gonna be too big, I guess. Maybe like 5 studs. Yeah, 5 studs by 5. So 3, 4, 5. That doesn't seem like how many studs. Yeah, I don't know. It doesn't really look like a perfect square to me. So now I made a perfect square. So now what we're going to do is we're going to make it neon, and I'm just going to change it to like reddish. Oh my gosh, that looks so legit. So now what we're going to do is we are going to name this, and after that we are going to script. So guys, this is going to be a really long script. Not really that long, but I'm just going to paste it. See, there you go. I'm just gonna paste the script in the description below so you guys could just get it. So guys, that's basically it. So let's play it. And see guys, so I'm just gonna spam the food right now. I really don't have much time. And after that, we have our sell button. So top, and see guys, it just transferred our food to our money. How is that possible? With the master of scripting, it is possible. Anything is possible. So yeah guys, see, I just got more money. So guys, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Be sure to subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.